guys! Good morning! Kakagising ko lang. So, kailangan natin magluto ng pananghalian. Kasi yung breakfast namin, tinapay lang naman. So, magiging lunch natin today is yung rabbit na nahunt ni Nico dyan sa aming yard na kinatay niya kagabi. So, gagawa ako today ng dalawang style ng pagluto ng rabbit. Yung traditional na ginagawa namin dito na stew. And yung isa is yung sabaw. Kasi meron akong binili na pansit doon sa Asian store. So, gagamitin natin yon. Yung weather namin today dito sa Hamenkoski is plus degrees. It's 1.5 degrees Celsius. So, it's not so cold. And actually, the snow is melting. So, yung snow sa bubong namin, guys, nahuhulog na siya and natutunaw. And marami pa ring snow sa field. Hindi yan basta-basta matutunaw, guys. It will take some time. We are really happy that spring is coming. But still, the weather is changing every day. It's like back and forth, snow and then melt, snow and melt, and it's quite slippery. Ganun pa man, hindi tayo magpapatalo sa weather. Kailangan natin kumain ng masarap na sabaw. 'Di ba? Pag mga ganitong panahon, guys, napakasarap talaga magluto ng sabaw. So yung available na karne na meron kami ngayon is yung rabbit or yung mountain hare na nahunt ni Nico. So yun ang lulutuin natin. So, ito na yung rabbit meat, guys, na nakatay na ni Nico. Karne lang ito lahat. Meron yatang bones dito. Yeah, merong bones pala. May part na merong bones. So, ito yung gagamitin ko para sa stew namin. And itong mga pure na karne niya lang. Actually, wala siyang fat, guys. Kaya kapag nagluluto kami ng rabbit meat, ginagamitan namin siya ng butter para magkaroon siya ng fat. So, ito is, gagawa tayo ng sabaw gamit yung ibang piraso nito. Tapos, yung iba is gagawin nating stew. So, meron ako ditong patatas, guys. Ito yung nanggaling doon sa church. So, ilalagay ko lang siya dito sa tray ko. Tapos, lalagyan ko siya ng cream. Tapos, salt and pepper. And, diretso siya sa oven. Yung mga potatoes na ginagamit ng mga restaurant pag nagluluto sila ng mga buffet. So, since libre ito, sobrang, laking tipid ito. Ito yung cream, pipori, kerma. Nanggaling pa ito doon sa Haviki. Lalagyan ko lang siya nito. And titulukin natin yan kasi bawal magsayang. Halos wala akong ginastos dito, guys. Salt and pepper lang talaga. And I'm so thankful na meron kaming mga napagkukunan ng pagkain dito. So, ito yung basil and tomato na cream. Food cream din siya. Ilalagay ko lang to sa oven. Ito na yung magiging pares ng aming rabbit. And for sure, si Anika hindi yun kakain ng patatas, so meron siyang rice. Actually, hindi ko na pala siya lalagyan ng salt and pepper kasi meron na siyang lasa. Tsaka ayaw natin ng sobrang maalat na pagkain, guys. So, okay na ito. Lalagay ko lang to sa oven para mag-brown yung taas niya. Cream dito, guys. So, haluan ko lang siya nung overripe na avocado namin. Meron pa kaming 3 avocado na natira galing sa church. So, para maging masarap siya, gagawa ako ng avocado shake plus itong vanilla ice cream. Mga una ta, guys. So, ito yung portion ni Anika. Gusto niya yung carrots niya is fresh. Tapos rice. Tapos yung rabbit meat. Tapos konting sabaw lang yun sa kanya, guys. Ayaw niya ng basa-basa yung kanyang rice talaga. Tapos ito na yung kainin ko, guys. Yung potatoes. Tapos yung rabbit. Tapos ito na yung aming avocado shake. Mga una ta, guys. So, ito na yung aming potatoes and rabbit meat. Napaka-simple lang na dish, guys. Pero, lusog-lusog yung taan eh. Lusog-busog. Busog-lusog. Let's eat! So yummy. So good. This is rabbit meat, Anika. You like it? You want the cooked carrots or not cooked?
No cook.
Is that carrots good for you? The taste of rabbit meat, guys, you cannot compare it to chicken. Kasi hindi siya katulad ng rabbit dyan sa atin sa Philippines na yung puti, yung white rabbit. Ito siya is, it's like similar to beef, but there's no fat and it's much lighter. It doesn't have any anggo or gamey taste. It tastes good. I don't know, I can't describe it. It tastes very good.
Is there a rabbit meat good there?
Huh?
In Philippines?
In Philippines?
Like a bunnies.
Maybe that white rabbit. But it tastes like chicken, you know. It's not so tasty as this one. This is way, way, way better. And during the olden times, you know, rich people eat rabbit meat. In the olden times, they eat this mountain hare. Rich people hunt this one. And you cannot buy rabbit meat here in Finland because it's only a hunter's food.
Joo, en mä ainakaan nähnyt missään.
You can't buy rabbit meat in the store, but you can find it in our kitchen. Mga unta! Para siyang beef, guys. O, yan o. Hindi siya yung white rabbit kagaya dyan sa atin. Iba talaga. It's so good. These potatoes, Daddy, were from the church. The cream, one of the cream was from the church. And then another cream, that pipori, was from the 10 euro Happy Kirawaka. So this is like almost free. Free food is always lami. Is it yummy, Anika? Yeah. Tikman natin yung ating smoothie. Avocado shake. It's so lamig, guys. Wala kasi akong condensed milk, kaya yung ice cream ang ginamit ko. Sabi ni Nico, it's good like dessert. Ito na yung version ko ng rabbit soup, guys. So, nilagyan ko lang siya nung instant noodles, na Japanese noodles. Tapos, hindi ko alam anong pangalan ng mushroom na yan, pero masarap yan. Carrots, onions, and yung spring onions. Tapos, halos lahat ng ingredients ng vegetables except sa mushroom is nanggaling doon sa Happy Kirawaka. So, yung portion ni Anika, guys, wala masyadong sabaw kasi hindi siya mahilig sa sabaw. Is it good, Daddy? Or you don't have any option but to say yes?
No.
What?
It's niin.
Because niin.
Että not have an alternative.
But is it bad or good?
No, tää on vähän outo.
Mikä to mushroom?
Niin,
Yeah. Yeah, it's a mushroom. But it's good. It's like a chicken. So, ito na yung hapunan namin, guys. Yung aming noodle soup. Yan. So, ito yung rabbit. It's good. But I think we need to put a little bit more of salt. But I think it will do for me. Akala ko hindi kakain si Anika ng mushroom, guys. Hindi ko siya nilagyan. Kumain pala. Is it good? Really the truth?
Tämä on hyvä.
That is 10 euro.
Joo.
10 euro times 10.
How much? 100?
Lami kaayo, guys. Ay, mga unta.